एटलीस्ट एडुकेटिव तरीके से हम लोग केमिकल ड्रग्स है, नेचुरल ड्रग्स है, इसको कैसे, हाउ बैड आर दे, डज इट, कैन यू जस्ट एडवाइज द यूथ?
See, there are basically two forms: narcotics and psychotropic substances. In the natural, so-called natural kind of drugs, what people have a wrong fallacy about. Number one, they think ganja and charas
यस,
or hashish is natural and it doesn't attract any legal provision.
Okay.
But they are highly mistaken. Ganja, charas, any form of any derivative of Indian hemp is covered under the NDPS Act, be it marijuana, cannabis, hashish, and all those kind of things. So, and this is also inviting lot many stringent provisions. Now, the stringent provisions are layered into various kinds, such as commercial quantities having imprisonment such as 20 years,
20 years.
then intermediate quantity, which is between commercial quantity and consumption small quantity, that is inviting legal provisions and imprisonment up to 10 years. After that, small quantity also is a serious crime and this is a non-bailable offense, inviting imprisonment up to 1 year.
Okay.
So this is regarding the natural drugs. The same is regarding the psychotropic, all the synthetic drugs also. So if you see the kind of synthetic drug which we find in Mumbai, Maharashtra, as well as in Goa, major are mephedrone, which you know very well.
Yes,
This is
yes.
a big time problem for us.
बिल्कुल.
Then second is methamphetamine, which is called as meth, which it comes from the amphetamine group. So manufacturing is happening here, and after that export is also, we are seeing export in foreign countries. Then the third kind of problematic drug for us in chemicals is the LSD, which is called as the lysergic acid. So this is also a kind of a party drug, and which is very much prominent in places like Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai, Pune, and places like Goa,
Okay.
Panjim. So, and youngsters are preferring this kind of drug. So, if you see, these are the kind of chemical drug which are very much prevalent and a problem for us in the Maharashtra and Goa region. So, these are also providing, and these are extremely dangerous for your
For the
health.
health, is it bad?
Absolutely. These are because chemical, and anything chemical which going into your body is disastrous for your health. And the quantity also, if you see commercial quantity, the government has rightly made it very, applying its, all the legal machinery. You see, mephedrone, which is the most dangerous drug, is just merely 50 grams
Okay.
commercial quantity. Methamphetamine, if you talk, that is also 50 grams. Lysergic acid, which plays with your brain, which gives you very, very dangerous bad trip, which is very detrimental for the youth and their health. So the commercial quantity for them is 0.1 grams. So you see how dangerous it can
Yes,
be.
yes, yes, yes.
So I would like to request people, to citizens, youth, the parents, to stay away from this thing, because this is virtually, killing the youths, and they are trying to harm our economy. They are trying to harm our growth, and that is giving these kind of drugs are definitely giving rise to narco-terrorism also.
We come to the end of the program. We heard from him about leadership. We talked about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Baba Sahib Ambedkar. We talked about Shahid Bhagat Singh. Then he said the youth should emulate our great army warriors, Vikram Batra. And now we come because आप NCB के माध्यम से एक campaign genuine. Once you're taking action, second you're trying to educate the people. आप लोगों को educate करते हैं. आप हम देखा गली गली जाते हैं, जहाँ भी सभा होता है, लोकल कमिटीज़ को आप मोटिवेट करते हैं कि सबको इकट्ठा करो. मैं आके बोलता हूँ द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ड्रग्स. What is the NCB doing, sir? You probably have a website, you have probably various mechanisms where you're trying to attract the youth towards not going towards drugs. Say no to drugs. That is what your goal is. आपके पूरे aim इस प्रकार से NCB के.
See, आपके माध्यम से again I would like to spread a very positive and a strong message to the youth. I would request them firstly take a pledge
Okay.
in the nation against this menace, and let us take a pledge. If you are going to the colleges, if you are going to the universities, if you are going to the school, if you are going to the office, so let's pledge today to make our environment, make our campus, make our office drug free, number one. And let us not tolerate any kind of nonsense which is going on in the vicinity also, because the peddlers are targeting such kind of things, so that deliberately they kind of make the gullible youngsters, the teenagers, victim to these kind of crimes. So I would request to keep a vigil. NCB is there. You have the NCB site, so you can mail us, you can call me, and you can inform me whenever such kind of thing is happening. So let us pledge and make our campus and office premises a house drug free, number one. Number two, also I would like to through your channel pass on a message and request all the viewers and the youngsters to go to pledge mygov.in, and where you can download the pledge. You can take a pledge fighting the drug menace, and you will get a certificate for that, pledging in the line of the nation. and pledging your allegiance towards the war against drugs. So that I would request everybody, all the youth through your channel who are watching, to download it and give its pledge to the government of